Good evening. My name is Craig Frank, and welcome to Plant's 2020 Open House. This year I'll be teaching the following classes. Period 1 in room 201, I'll be teaching Business Entrepreneurship Principles. Period 3 in room 102, TV Production 1. Periods 4 and 6 in room 205, Sports Marketing Application Management. And periods 7 and 8 in room 205, Sports Marketing 1 Essentials. Materials needed for the classes: a black or blue pen, a 3-ring binder, plenty of paper, and for TV production, please bring your cell phone, as that will be needed exclusively for educational purposes. Expectations for my class are as follows. Please be respectful. Please be on time. Please no food or drink in the classroom except water. And please come to class with lots of energy. I look forward to meeting my new students as well as my returning ones, and look forward to helping you reach your goals. Thank you so much, and I look forward to meeting you all. Have a great evening.